Hi, it's Mr. Steinman. This is there practice. And you can do this. There. T-H-E-R-E. Well, an example, there is a heavenly place. There are heavenly places. So, whether it's one place or many places, it doesn't matter. There can refer to it. Okay? There is a very easy to use word, but, this will be on the ACT and SAT test, and you really want to know how to use them correctly. There, with an apostrophe R-E, means they are. It's just a contraction. Do you like the word contraction? Example, they're realizing that they are already what? Brilliant. Oh, that's nice. Needs a period. Boom. They're brilliant. Their, T-H-E-I-R, means it belongs to the plural owners. It belongs to them. Has to be more than one owner. But what they own can either be single or plural. For example, the students must let their lights shine. Lights in this case is plural, but it doesn't matter. The important part was the students are plural. Athletes must listen to their instructor. There belongs to the athletes. It doesn't matter that there's only one instructor. That's not relevant because the reason it's there is it belongs to them, the athletes. They can either own one thing or many things, no problem. Let's do some examples. Here's a wrong one. Jessica and Masha love their sports cars, especially its incredible power on the racetrack. But the there might change. The cars belong to them. Them being Jessica and Masha. That's two people. Two people gets a there. If it was just Masha, it would be her sports car. Well, in both cases, it's T-H-E-I-R. The sports cars belong to them. But here's a weird thing. Their incredible power. Whose incredible power? Well, it's either the cars or it's the owners, Jessica and Masha. Doesn't really matter. It's T-H-E-I-R. Belongs to them no matter which way it is. Number 2, Francisco will stop playing video games in January. They're distracting him from living a fulfilling life. They're trying to say they are distracting him. What things are distracting him? The games. The games are distracting him. So, his New Year's resolutions are, I changed it. They're distracting him from his fulfilling life. Obviously, this should have been changed already. And now it is. See, even when you make a mistake, you can fix it. Things don't have to be perfect the first time. In fact, it's boring. It's actually boring when things are perfect the first time. And, if you're someone who thinks that perfection needs to be immediate on the first try, you are not going to study for the SAT or ACT. You're just going to go in and hopefully score perfectly on the first try. If you're willing to admit that you're not perfect and you're willing to accept that you make mistakes and then you fix them as I just fixed this. I mean, this was minor, but your SAT and your ACT are getting you into university, okay? Be willing to fix your mistakes. Be willing to make mistakes, fix them, and maybe you'll get perfect. Maybe you won't. Plenty of people have gone to the best universities in the world without being perfect. Number 3, there is, without a doubt, many reasons. The reasons. You don't say there is reasons. You say there are reasons. Now, what they like to do on an English test in the SAT and ACT is they add some words to make you think it's, say, singular when it's really plural. I wrote without a doubt. A doubt. One solitary doubt. There is a doubt. You wouldn't say there are a doubt. There is a doubt. But it's not that there is a doubt in this question. There are reasons. And this extra thing, this extra information, which I put in the comma, which I call the comma chameleon, it comes and it goes, but it's just extra info. I didn't have to use comma. I could have used parentheses, and I could have used dash. And most of the time, for parentheses and dash, that's the only thing you ever need to know, is that it can replace the comma. the extra info, which is not really part of the subject and verb agreement. There are, without a doubt, many reasons to use your time wisely. What is the subject of the sentence? And what is the verb? The verb is are. What is the subject? It's not there. I know it sounds like it is, but it isn't. It's the reasons. The reasons are the subject of the sentence. And I know it's a little complicated, and I don't want to get deeply into it because you don't need to ever get deeply into it. You want to show the universities that you're effective when you do the SAT, and then because you understand how to read and how to write well, you're going to, your fundamentals of learning are there to learn anything you need to learn, not just English grammar. Forget about that. Learn history, learn political science, learn engineering, learn medicine, whatever you need to learn, okay? And you can, be the person you want to be. This is Mr. Steinman. Remember, you are already brilliant. Just let your light shine.